Hello adventurers! In this video, I'll discuss the best cashback credit cards in 2023. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and choose my favorite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There's a lot of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one is better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you will find out about 4 cashback credit cards that are fantastic, and instead of choosing between 50, you will have to choose between 4 only. Now let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. There is no need to search more if you can't decide between a card offering a welcome bonus or an introductory 0% APR. Both can be found in the Capital One Quicksilver. If you're thinking of financing a purchase for a while after getting a new credit card, this is a great combo. Standard benefits like travel accident insurance, travel assistance services, extended warranty protection, and access to exclusive gourmet experiences, as well as music and sporting events are included with the card. Pros: no spending category enrollment, no cashback rewards limits, no foreign transaction fee, low requirements for spending to obtain a welcome bonus. Cons: high regular APR. It's great for people that want a simple and easy-to-use credit card. It's not great for people that want a higher flat cashback rate. Let's focus on the rewards. Cardholders receive a consistent 1.5% cashback on all purchases and 5% cashback when they're Capital One travel to make hotel or rental car reservations. Customers can ask for money back in any amount, redeemable as a check or bill credit. They can be exchanged for gift cards, travel, or Amazon purchases. Now for the welcome bonus. $500 in purchases within 3 months of account opening will earn you a $200 cash incentive. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro on purchases for 15 months. But the regular APR is 19.24% to 29.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is 3%. The foreign transaction fee is none. The needed credit score is good or excellent, which is considered between 670 to 850. At number 3, we have Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. For a variety of purchasing categories, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card offers rewarding cashback. If the cashback is more your thing and specific US streaming, US supermarkets, transit, and gas station categories meet your spending patterns, the Blue Cash Preferred is the card for you. Regular benefits like fraud and return protection, extended warranties, free delivery with ShopRunner membership, renter vehicle collision insurance, sports, music, and event ticket pre-sales, plus VIP access at some events are included with the card. It also has a Global Assist hotline. Pros: outstanding cashback rewards, generous welcome offer, bonus categories, intro APR period. Cons: charges and annual fee. It has a fee on foreign transactions. American Express isn't as widely accepted as Visa or MasterCard. Spending caps on bonus rewards. It's great for people who buy groceries at traditional supermarkets, people who subscribe heavily to streaming services, drivers. It's not good for people who don't have a driver's license, people that don't get groceries from traditional supermarkets. Let's focus on the rewards. With a $6,000 spending limit, this card gives 6% cashback at US supermarkets, 6% cashback on the majority of US streaming video and music services, and 3% cashback on gas and transportation costs. 1% cashback is awarded on all other purchases. Cashback incentives are given in the form of reward dollars, which can be redeemed as a statement credit if they reach $25 or more. Reward points cannot be used to reduce minimum payments. Now for the welcome bonus. Get a 250 statement credit after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. The annual fee is $0 intro annual fee for the first year, then $95. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% on the purchases for 12 months. But the regular APR is 18.24% to 29.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. The foreign transaction fee is 2.7% of each transaction after conversion to US dollars. The needed credit score is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. Coming in at number 2, there is the Chase Freedom Flex. The Chase Freedom Flex will force its way into your wallet. If you were hoping to increase the number of points you could earn and prefer the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, many items on the wish list for the ideal credit card are checked off by the newest member of the Freedom family. A rewards card without an annual charge is an appealing concept for everyone, but within earning programs of steroids, the Freedom Flex also handles the bulk of more expensive rewards cards. Purchase protection, extended warranty protection, trip cancellation or interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, secondary coverage, MasterCard World Elite program advantages, and cell phone insurance protection are all included with this card. Pros: several high-earning rewards categories, substantial one-time bonus for a no annual fee card, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, cell phone insurance protection, bonus categories, cash rewards, intro APR period. Cons: charges foreign transaction fees, mediocre earning rate on all other purchases, must activate quarterly rotating 5% cashback categories. 5% cashback in rotating categories is limited. Requires good, excellent credit. It's great for people who want to earn cashback in a wide variety of categories. People who want a no annual fee card. It's not good for people who don't want to bother with the rotating bonus categories. People that don't regularly spend money in the higher earnings categories. Let's focus on the rewards. In the form of Ultimate Rewards points, the Chase Freedom Flex offers cashback. 1 point is awarded for every 1% of your purchases that are converted into Ultimate Rewards points. When using this card to book travel via Chase Ultimate Rewards, you can earn a bonus of 5% cashback. Additionally, if you activate the bonus categories each quarter, you can get 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases, and 5% cashback on trips booked via Chase. Additionally, get 3% at restaurants, including takeaway and pharmacies, and 1% overall. There are several uses for the Chase Ultimate Rewards points you earn with this credit card. Other options include cashback in the form of a statement credit or direct deposit, gift cards, travel, and using points to pay for purchases from Apple and Amazon. Now for the welcome bonus. The Chase Freedom Flex card offers $200 cashback after $500 in transactions made within the first 3 months of account creation. Your rewards account will receive 20,000 Ultimate Rewards points as payment for the one-time incentive. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to intro APR, it's 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months. But the regular APR is 18.74% to 27.49% variable. The balance transfer fee is 0% intro APR for 15 months, but then either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. The foreign transaction fee is 3% of each transaction in US dollars. The needed credit score is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 to 850. And in the first place, we have the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards Credit Card, which has no annual fee, is a fantastic option if your recycling bin is overflowing with shopping or takeout bags. This card stands out for the majority of its rivals because it has the potential to earn such a high rate on both eating out and cooking at home. Most of its rivals tend to concentrate on either one of those categories or the other. If you're prepared to pay an annual fee, you may be able to obtain comparable or even better rates in one of those areas, but not usually in both with the same card. Pros: no annual fee, intro APR period, bonus categories, no foreign transaction fees. Generous cash rewards for dining, entertainment, and groceries. Doesn't impose some frequent fees. Easy to redeem cashback rewards. Introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. Cons: require good, excellent credit. High standard rate APR. Limited cashback reward categories. It's great for people who love going out for dinner or entertainment and buying groceries. People who like cards with easy to redeem rewards. People who want a no annual fee credit card that benefits both dining out and eating at home. It's not good for people who don't like going out, people who don't like spending a lot of money on groceries. Let's focus on the rewards. With no limits, the Capital One SavorOne automatically earns 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores. 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars reserved through Capital One Travel, 8% cashback on Capital One entertainment purchases and tickets at Vivid Seats, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. Superstores like Walmart or Target, wholesale clubs like Costco, gas stations, convenience stores, and discount retailers are excluded from the category of grocery stores. Earning rewards is comparatively easy and uncomplicated because there are no earning caps or rotating categories. Reward points can be exchanged for statement credits, checks, gift cards, or goods. You can redeem it at any time, and there is no minimum amount of cashback required. Additionally, you can set up automatic redemption choices that will allow you to cash in prizes on a certain day or after you reach a certain threshold. Now for the welcome bonus. Earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 in purchases within the first 3 months of your account opening. The annual fee is $0. When it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% intro on purchases for 15 months, but the regular APR is 19.24% to 29.24% variable. The balance transfer is 3%. The foreign transaction fee is 0%. The needed credit score is good or excellent, which is considered between 670 to 850. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best cashback credit cards in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy cashback fashing! Use them wisely. I'll see you in the next video.